Good morning dears. We are familiar with parallelogram and rhombus. Now we are going to see trapezium. What will happen if the parallelogram, if one pair of parallel sides are not equal? A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as a trapezium. Trapezium, a parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel sides is known as trapezium. This is a trapezium. The distance between two parallel lines is called as height. This is a height, this is base, but we have two sides A, B, C, then D. Here A, B and BC are non-parallel sides, but AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. This is a height, these are two sides. Now, what is the area of a trapezium? This is A, this is B. Trapezium equal to half into H then A plus B. We can write it as half into A plus B into H square units. These two sides A and B and height, you know, in between two parallel sides distance is height. So what is the area of the trapezium? Half into A plus B into H square units. We have one more trapezium, that is isosceles trapezium. If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as isosceles trapezium. That what is the definition for trapezium? A parallelogram with one pair of non-parallel side is known as a trapezium. If the non-parallel sides are equal, that time the trapezium is known as a isosceles trapezium. Now we look at the problems. Exercise number 2.3. The first one, height is given and parallel sides A and B is given and we have to find out the area. The first Roman given to us 4 problems. We have to find out one problem in different way. The first one, first subdivision, height equal to 10 meter and A equal to 12 meter and B equal to 20 meter. What is the area? You know, area of the area of trapezium h into a plus b. What is height is given to us? 10. Substitute h value. What is a? 12. What is b? 20. Height is given and two sides is given. So a is 12 meter, b is 20 meter and height is given 10 meter. Formula is area of a trapezium equal to half into h into a plus b. Height I substitute here 10 and other two sides 12 plus 20. Now half into 10. If we are adding 12 plus 30, we are getting 32. Go for cancellation method. If you are cancelling 16, 10 into 16, that is equal to 160 meter squared. Now we look at the second option. Second option, height is not given. So we have to find out height. And A is given to us 13 centimeter and B is given to us 28 centimeter. And one more thing, area also given to us 492 square centimeter. You know the formula? Half into h into a plus b, that is equal to 492. What is height is given? Height we don't know. Keep as it is. And area side is 13 plus 28, 492. If you are adding these two, half into height into 8 plus 3, 11, so 41. That is equal to 492. Now find out the h value. So h multiplication goes on that side, division. So 2 by 1 into 1 by 41. 2 by 41. If you are multiplying, 2 2s are 4, 9 2s are 18, then 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 981 by 41. Two times, so 82, remainder 6, 164, maybe here 982, 41. 164. Now 4 times we can go. 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 164. You are getting 0. So answer is 24 centimeter. So height equal to 24 centimeter. That height is given to us and other two sides are given. Area is given. If you are substituting the values, you are getting all h into 41 equal to 492, h equal to 492 into 1, that's a reverse order, so 2 by 1, then 41, 1 by 41, so 984 by 41, if you are dividing 984 by 24 centimeter. Come to third option, h equal to 19 meter and A we have to find out. B is given to us 16 meter, then area equal to 323 square meter. What's the area formula? Half into h into a plus b, that is equal to 323 is given. Substitute the values. Height is given 19 into a is we don't know, b 16, that is equal to 323. So 19 by 2 into a plus 16 equal to 323. 19 by 2 goes on that side. 323 divided by 19 by 2 2 by 19 a plus 16. A plus 16 equal to 323 into 2 by 19. In the fraction, you know, if you are dividing one number, you should take that multiplicative inverse of that number, then you should multiply with the 323. Now, if you are cancelling, here 19, 2 times 323, 19, 2 times, it won't go. 16 by 19, one time 19, the remainder is 3. Now 2 1 33, how many times will go? 6 times, 9 6, 9 7s are 63, 6, so 133, how many times? 17 times. Here 17. So a plus 16 equal to 17 into 2, that is equal to 34. Then a equal to 34 minus 16. Answer is 18 meter. Now a plus 16 equal to 323 into 2 by 19. If you are dividing 323 divided by 19, you are getting 17. So a plus 16 equal to 17 into 2. A plus 16 equal to 72s are 34 plus 16, it goes on that side, will be a subtraction. A equal to 34 minus 16. If you are subtracting 34 minus 16, you are getting 18 meter. Now third option, h equal to, sorry dear, fourth option, a equal to 16 meter, height equal to 16 meter, a equal to 15 centimeter, then b we have to find out. What's the area of a trapezium formula? Area also given, area is 360 square centimeter. Area formula you know, half into h into b. So substitute these values. What height is given? 16. What is a? 15. That is equal to 360. Now if you are calculating 8 into 15 plus b equal to 360. You know the formula, area of a trapezium of into h into a plus b. I am substituting the values here. Height is 16 and a you know 15. Then we know area 360, b we don't know, we have to find out. If you are cancelling 16 by 2, we are getting 8. 8 into 15 plus b equal to 360. Then 15 plus b equal to 8, it goes on that side. It's a division. If you are cancelling, 4 8s are 32, then 4 40, 5 8s are 40. So 15 plus b equal to 45, then b equal to 45 minus 15, that is equal to 30. Answer is 30 meter. Now Come to the second problem. Find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them is 15 centimeter. We have to find out the area of a trapezium and parallel sides is given, that means A and B is given, and height, the distance between them, distance between the parallel sides, we know the height. So height is 15 centimeter. The second one, A equal to 24 centimeter, B equal to 20 centimeter and the height equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find out the area of trapezium. Half into H into A plus B. So half into 15 into 20 plus 20, here 24 plus 20. We can write 20 plus 20 also, but I mentioned here A equal to 24, B equal to 20 centimeter. 1 by 2 into 15 into, if you are adding 24 plus 20, 44, if you are cancelling 22, 15 into 22, if you are multiplying, you are getting the answer 330 centimeter squared. 15 into 22, 15 twos are 30, then 30, 0, 3, 3. So 330 centimeter squared. Come to the third one. The area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. The distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. Area of a trapezium is given and the distance between its parallel sides means height. Height also is given and one parallel side is given. We have to find out the other parallel side. So, what is the area? Area equal to 1586 square centimeter. That height is given 26 centimeter and A is given 84, B we have to find out. So, half into H into A plus B equal to 1586. So, 1 by 2, what is height 26? A is 84, B we don't know, 1586. If you are cancelling 26 by 2, we are getting 13. So 84, 13 it goes on division, that side will be division. So 1586 by 13, if you are dividing 1586, 13, 1 time, remainder 2, 2 times, so 26, 2, then again you bring out this one, 26, 13 ones are 13, remainder 2, then again I bring out 8, so 28, 13 twos are 26 and remainder 2, now 26, 13 twos are 26, 0, answer is 122. So 84 into 84 plus B equal to 122, then B equal to 122 minus 84. If you are subtracting, answer is 38. Answer is 38 centimeter. 84 plus B equal to 122, B equal to 122 minus 84. Addition it goes on that side, subtraction. So 122 minus 84, B equal to 38 centimeter. Now the fourth one, the area of a trapezium is 1080 square centimeter. If the lengths of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter, find the distance between them. Already I told distance between them means we have to find out the height of the trapezium. Then fourth one, what is the area? Area equal to 1080 square centimeter. Then parallel sides A equal to 55.6 centimeter. Then B equal to 34.4 centimeter. Height equal to, we have to, then half into H into A plus B equal to 1080. H we have to find out. A 55.6 plus 34.4, that is equal to 1080. If we are adding 55.6 plus 34.4, 0, then 1, 0, then 1, 90. 56, 90, that is equal to 1080. So half into H equal to 1080 by 90. The multiplication goes on that side, division. So 1080 by 90, cancel 1 time, 2 times. So half into H equal to 12, then H equal to 12 into 2 equal to 24 centimeter. Area is given to us, to parallel side is given, height we have to find out. Formula we know, half into H into A plus B equal to 1080. So half into H we have to find out. I kept as it is and I am substituting the values A and B. If you are adding 55.6 plus 34.4, we are getting 90.0. So half into H into 90 equal to 1080. 90 it goes on that side, it is division. So 1080 by 90, if you are cancelling, we are getting 12. Half into H equal to 12, then H equal to 12 into 2 equal to 24 centimeter. Now come to the fifth problem. The area of your trapezium is 180 square centimeter. Height is 9 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is longer than the other by 6 meter, 6 centimeter. Once again I will read, listen carefully. If one of the parallel side is longer than the other by 6 centimeter, that means what is the other side? 8 plus 6 equal to 14 centimeter. Find the length of the parallel sides. Area equal to 180 square centimeter. Height equal to 9. If one of the parallel side is longer than by other 6 centimeter, so A we don't know, B equal to A plus 6, then half into H into A plus B equal to 180. What is H value? 9. A, what is B? A plus 6, that is equal to 180, because it's given to us the length of its parallels. If one of the parallel side is longer than the other by 6 centimeter. So suppose one parallel side is A, what is the other side? B equal to A plus 6. So formula we know, half into H into A plus B equal to 180, half into 9 into A plus 6 equal to 180. Now half into 9, then A plus 6 equal to 180. So 9 by 2, 2A plus 6 equal to 180. So 2A plus 6 equal to 180 into 2 by 9. If you are cancelling 20, so 2a plus 6 equal to 2 into 20. Then 2a plus 6 equal to 22s are 40. 2a equal to 40 minus 6. Then 2a equal to 34. A equal to 34 by 2. Answer is 70. If you are cancelling 17. So A equal to 17 centimeter. So once again I will tell, listen, area is given, height is given, then we have to find out the parallel sides. Two parallel sides also we don't know, but clue is given to us. One parallel side is longer than the other parallel side by 6 centimeter. So A equal, we don't know, B equal to A plus 6. Half into H into A plus B equal to 180. Half into 9 into A plus 6 equal to 180. If you are removing the bracket, A plus 6. Half into 9, then A plus A 2A, 2A plus 6 equal to 180. 2A plus 6 equal to 180. Then 2A plus 6 equal to 180 into 2 by 9. If you are cancelling, answer is 20. So 2a plus 6 equal to 20 into 2, that is equal to 2a plus 6 equal to 40. 2a equal to 40 minus 6, then a equal to 34 by 2 equal to 17. What is the parallel side? A equal to 17 centimeter. What about other side? B equal to 17 plus 6, that is equal to 23 centimeter. Now come to that sixth one. The sun side of a window is in the form of isosceles trapezium whose parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter and the distance between them is 6 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of ₹2 per square centimeter. What is the parallel side is given? A equal to 81 centimeter, B equal to 64 centimeter. Already I told you distance between them is, that is height equal to 6 centimeter. Then we have to find out the area of isosceles trapezium also. Same formula only we have to use it. So half into H into A plus B, that is equal to half into 6 into 81 plus 64. If we are adding 81 plus 64, 5, 8 plus 6, 14. So 145. If you are cancelling 3, so 3 into 145. If you are multiplying, 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 435 centimeter squared. But we have to find out the costs. Area we found now, but find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of ₹2 per square centimeter. What is the cost of 1 square centimeter? That is equal to ₹2. But what is the area? We got it 435. So cost of 435 square centimeter equal to 4. You should multiply. So 435 into 2. If you are multiplying, ₹870. Cost of 1 square centimeter is given to us ₹2. So what is the area of our trapezium? 435 square centimeter. So we should multiply 435 into 2. We are getting ₹870. Now seventh problem. A window is in the form of trapezium whose parallel sides are 105 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively, and the distance between them, the parallel sides, is 60 centimeter. Find the cost of the glass used to cover the window at the rate of rupees 15 per 100 square centimeter. Then what is the parallel side is given? A equal to 105 centimeter, B equal to 50 centimeter, then height is given 60 centimeter. Height is given 60 centimeter. So first we have to find out the area, after that we substitute the cost price. Now area equal to half into h into a plus b. What is h is given? Half into 60 into 105 plus 50. If you are adding 105 plus 50, 155. Cancel this one, getting 30, 60 divided by 2. 30 into 155. If you are multiplying, 5 3s are 15, then 1, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, then remainder 1, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1, 4,650 centimeter square. Then what is the cost of 1 square centimeter? We don't know because given to us 100 square centimeter. So cost of covering 100 square centimeter equal to rupees 15. Given to us 100 square centimeter, we have to find out 1 square centimeter. Then only we can do the problem in easy way. So cost of covering 1 square centimeter equal to 15 by 100. Now what is our area? Cost of covering 4,650 centimeter square centimeter or else centimeter square. Better we can write square centimeter or else you will get confusion. So 4,650 into 15 by 100. If you are cancelling 0 0, go for 5 table 3 times, 2 times, then if you are cancelling 2, 3, then 2.5. 232.5 into 3. If you are multiplying, 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. 697.5 because we have 1 decimal places. Area we are getting 4,650 centimeter square, but cost of covering 100 square centimeter is given to us. So I did here cost of 1 square centimeter, that is equal to rupees 15 by 100. What is the area? Cost of covering 4,650 square centimeter. That you should multiply with 15 by 100. If you are multiplying, we are getting the answer 232.5 into 3. We are getting rupees 697.5. 697.5. We'll do the objective problems. That 8th one, area of the trapezium, if the parallel sides are measuring 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeters. Eighth one, parallel side is given, A equal to 8 centimeter, B equal to 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. What's the area formula? You are well known now. Half into h into a plus b. So half into height is 5. Parallel sides are 8 plus 10. That is equal to half into 5 into, if you are adding 18, if you are cancelling 9. So 9 into 5, that is equal to 45 centimeter square. Parallel sides is given, height also given, area formula we know, half into h into a plus b. I am substituting the value. After cancelling, we are getting the answer 45 centimeter square. Now, ninth one. In a trapezium, if the sum of the parallel sides is 10 meter and area is 140 square meter, then the height is given. Height we have to find out. Sum of the parallel sides. So, a plus b is given because they mentioned that sum of the parallel sides. So, 10 meter. Area is given, area equal to 140. Height we have to find out. We know the formula, half into h into a plus b equal to 140. H we don't know, but a plus b is given 10. That is equal to 140. If you are cancelling, you are getting 5. So h into 5 equal to 140. Then height equal to 140 by 5. If you are cancelling, how many 5s are there in 14? 2. Then remainder 4. 40 is 8. So h equal to 28 centimeter. H equal to 28 centimeter. Sum of the parallel side is given, area is given, we have to find out the height. So half into h into a plus b equal 140, you are substituting the values, half into h into 10 equal to 140, if you are cancelling 10 by 2, we are getting 5, h into 5 equal to 140, then h equal to 140 by 5, now we are cancelling, we are getting the answer 28 centimeter. The 10th one. Then the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as what first itself I told that isosceles trapezium. What is the definition? If non-parallel sides of the parallelogram trapezium are equal, that is called as an isosceles trapezium. So this one answer is isosceles trapezium. When the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is known as an isosceles trapezium. That's all today's lesson. Thank you, dears.